Mom, help. 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 Mom, help. Get down there, Raven. Oh, Chelsea's first going in. Get on the floor.
It's on the floor, dude.
I don't think he realized. Oh, there they go. There goes everyone. I might want to put that up. I'm recording. Everyone's going to town. Not the silvervine.
Raven! This is mean. This is mean.
Sprinkle on with them too.
That's what I'm doing. Jessie!
We're doing a combo, huh?
Jessie!
He's covered in it.
Yes, he is. Whoops.
What did we do?
Holy cat hair.
Oh, no.
Talk about your all-time backfires.
I'm going to get a couple leaves.
Oh, no. I think they've had enough.
They're going to get too high.
Said it before and I'll say it again. If catnip is cocaine, then silvervine is crack.
And we already know where to show this. And this stuff is what exactly what it says on the bottle.
And look at Raven.
Oh my god.
Yikes.
It's gonna be a long night.
Yeah, this may have been a big mistake.
It's International Cat Day. We had to spoil them.
Yep.
Happy National Cat Day, you three.
Look at her. It's all over his fur.
Oh my gosh.
Yeesh.
You crazy boy. And Chelsea's like, I'm done.
Normally she flips out over silvervine too, so.
The boys are the worst though. Prepare ourselves for a very long night. You're going crazy, aren't you, bud? And there's Raven in the corner. Dude, that's
Oh my
attached
God.
to you. Your tail's attached to you, dum-dum. Does Raven realize his tail's attached to him?
The question is, does he care? Oh my god.
Free entertainment. That's what cats are, free entertainment. No gas or money spent. Oh my. Chelsea's like, oh.
Yeah, there we go.
What did we do?